How to prep for cooking classes. One of the best things that you can learn to do in your life is to learn how to cook. Cooking is a life skill that you will need all throughout your life, and you will never be at a disadvantage if you know how to cook. That is why cooking classes are pretty popular, especially during summer with young students and during school days, with mommies who want to improve their cooking skills. If you have already enrolled in a cooking class and you are worried that you may not know as much as your classmate about cooking, get over the thought. You enrolled in the class to learn, so who cares if your classmate knows more than you? He or she would have wasted their tuition fee if that is the case. Still, there is no harm in preparing for the cooking class and making sure that you have all that you need to make the cooking class easier and more fun for you. Here are some tips. 1. Bring a notebook and pen or a tape recorder. If you do not have a photographic memory, then it is best to bring a pen and a notebook when you go to class. This will help you keep up with what the teachers are saying in the class. If you have a tape recorder, this is much better as it will be able to capture much of what your teachers are saying, unlike with writing notes, when you are held back by how fast you can write down the words. If you are a slow writer and you know it, then a recorder is the best option for you. 2. Do illustrations. You may not be the best artist in the world, and you may not even be able to draw a straight line even if your life depended on it, but illustrations will help you a lot, especially when remembering the steps that you have to take to prepare the food. Drawing the procedures will help jog your memory about the process, and it will also clear up the procedure for you, something that words will not be able to. If you do have a video camera, ask your teacher if you can tape the session. Do not do this unless they have consented, because 90% of the time, they will not allow it for fear that it will be mass-produced and sold to other people. 3. Sleep early. When you go to your cooking class, you want to be at least awake and alert to really learn from what the teachers are saying. If you had a late night the previous night, what the teachers are saying may not register well to you. If that is the case, then you should prepare for the possibility and bring a recorder. You may not be very awake to listen to the teachers, but at least you have a tape recorder to do the listening to you. 4. Ask questions. The best way to learn is to make sure that you have understood everything that the teacher was saying. If you do not understand any of the procedures that he or she is teaching, then don't hesitate to ask questions and clarify. After all, you are preparing for the cooking class, and you have the right to really learn the lesson. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.